Now we are discussing about types of exercises in that swimming. Swimming in recreation and sports. The propulsion of the body through water by combined arm and leg motions and the natural flotation of the body. Swimming is an exercise is popular as an all-round body developer and is particularly useful in therapy and as exercise for physically handicapped persons also. What are the benefits of swimming? Swimming is good all round activity because it keeps your heart rate up but takes some of the impact stress off your body and then builds endurance, muscle strength and cardiovascular fitness. Then helps you maintain a healthy weight, healthy heart and lungs. Tones muscle and tones muscles and builds strength. Then the next point is swimming is a sport. Swimming is an individual or team racing sport that requires the use of one's entire body to move through water. The sport takes place in pools or open water, example in a sea or lake. Next point is how much swimming is good exercise. Just 30 minutes of swimming three times a week alongside a balanced healthy diet and lifestyle is one of the best ways to stay fit and healthy, maintain a positive mental outlook. And then the next point is what are the five basic swimming skills? Five swimming skills child should know: getting in and out of the pool safely, putting his or her face into the water and controlling breathing. Breathing controlling is most important thing in swimming. And floating on his or her back. Swimming both forward motion, swimming with forward motion also, and treading water. Talk with the experts about your child's swim lessons. This is the information regarding five basic swimming skills. Breathing controlling and when to breathe and when to get the air. This is also most important in swimming. And then the next point is what time is best for swimming. The afternoon is the most popular times to swim because the water is warm and most people have finished work or school for the day. Some advantages of afternoon swimming are as follows. The water is warmer by the afternoon. Outdoor water has had more time to warm in the sun, making it more comfortable to swim. Then the next point is how long does it take to see results for swimming? If you stick to a consistent routine of swimming and eating a balanced diet, you will start to notice weight loss changes within 30 days or 1 month. In most cases, you can expect to safely lose 1 to 2 lbs weekly of fat if your body is operating below your maintenance calorie level. What are the four main next point is what are the four main styles of swimming? Learning the four swimming strokes comes from after you have mastered the basic skills of swimming. If I have reached this point, then we have collated some tips below to help you learn the four swimming strokes: front crawl, breaststroke, backstroke, and butterfly. Then the next point is should I swim on an empty stomach? For maximum weight loss, swimming on an empty stomach is ideal. Empty stomach is always ideal. Hit the pool approximately 1 hour before you eat your breakfast, and because your carbohydrate stores have been depleted overnight, your body has no choice but to raid your fat stores for fuel. And the next point is how many times a week should I swim to tone up? The frequency of swimming for weight loss is the same as other cardiovascular exercises. So aim for 4 to 5 days a week for the best results according to Jami Hike, a certified personal trainer and nutritionist with Truism Fitness. This is the information. Only the basic things to learn in breathing, in swimming is breathing exercises should be very accurate and comfortable, and the techniques of breathing and releasing air and getting air, it is most important. And the second most important thing, pushing legs properly for swimming upward and downward, it is also most important. These are so, and the other thing is we should take empty stomach is ideal for swimming. Empty, but not means so much of empty stomach. But do breakfast and take 1 hour gap, then go for swimming. Or otherwise, after lunch also, it is heavy thing is there. So stomach should be empty, so that if you are taking one at 1 p.m. Lunch means uh, afternoon one means you can wait 1.5 hours, then you can swim. Likewise, you can do swimming also, but your stomach should be something easy. Easy means the digested food should be leveraged in the body around 1.5 hours. If you give the gap, it is comfortable to you to do swimming. That is the information, and wishing you all the best.